In today's video, we will discover how Lily turned his fears into a stepping stone for success. But before that, a quick recap of part 1. Lily, a young girl in a tranquil lakeside village, discovers her passion for painting. Despite self-doubt, her mother's inspiration and a chance encounter with a mural fuel her determination. This journey leads her to art school, exhibitions, and a return to her village as a beacon of courage and creativity. Part 2 begins Lily encountering obstacles, depicted as storm clouds in the sky, but she keeps painting. Just like any journey, Lily faced challenges, but she embraced them, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Lily helping a younger child in the village, teaching them how to paint. Lily's passion grew beyond herself. She began teaching art to the children in her village, inspiring them. Lily's art exhibition, villagers admiring her artwork with pride. The village organized an art exhibition, showcasing Lily's creations. Her once doubtful heart swelled with joy. Lily receiving a letter of acceptance from an art school, tears of happiness in her eyes. One day, a letter arrived. Lily had been accepted into an esteemed art school, a testament to her growth. Lily embracing her mother, both smiling through tears. On the day of her departure, Lily embraced her mother, grateful for her unwavering support. Lily at her art school, surrounded by diverse and enthusiastic artists. At art school, Lily found a community of like-minded souls, each on their unique creative journey. Lily's first solo art exhibition in a gallery, a grand display of her talent. Years passed, and Lily's artistry blossomed. She held her first solo exhibition, an awe-inspiring display. Watch last part 3 to know how the smallest of ripples can create waves of courage and inspiration. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the next story.